Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
conditions where there are normocytes with low reticulocyte count. Low reticulocyte count means that the body is not in a position to synthesize more RBCs even though after anemia. There is anemia but body cannot synthesize more reticulocyte count. This may be because of some bone marrow failure conditions. So this can be RBC. The examples are RBC aplasia, then RBC aplasia conditions like diamond black fan syndrome or parvovirus. It can be due to malignancies, Fanconi cell anemia, chronic renal failure, and anemia of chronic disease. So in all these conditions, there is normocytes with low reticulocyte count is seen.
thank you and thank you for watching.